Hey everyone, Mark John here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to make a slim dog holster for an M&P Shield. So let's get to it and enjoy the music.
A company always on the run, a destiny, oh, it's the rising sun. I was born, a shotgun in my hands, behind the gun, I'll make my final stand. Yeah, and that's why they call me bad company. I can't deny bad company till the day I die. Until the day I die. Until the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we've been called. Chose a gun and threw away the sun. Now these towns, well, they all know our name. The death punch sound is our claim to fame. And that's why they call me bad company. I can't deny bad company till the day I die. Until the day I die. Until the day I die. Until the day I die. Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth, blood for blood. We've all gotta die. We've all gotta die. And that's why they call me bad company. I won't deny bad company till the day I die. Bad company. I won't deny bad company till the day I die. Until 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 the day I die.
Slim dog. You can tighten the retention on these back screws right here, so if you want the holster to hold the gun a lot tighter, just tighten those bad boys up or loosen them as you see fit. It fits like a glove, works perfect. Let's go ahead and give you a demo. Now this holster is designed for appendix inside the waistband. Can hardly really tell it's there. and it pulls just fine. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the song, whatever I chose to play on this one, and we'll see you in the next video.